Hello to everybody. Future Trend channel is again with you, presenting our view of analysis of major currencies for the date of 26th of July 2018. Today is the date of ECB, European Central Bank rate decision, and the question is how to react to the ECB's decision and what could be the consequences of today's press conference of the President Mario Draghi that should follow the rate decision. We suggest that despite of this important, of course important from all points of view, event, probably today's driving force in the foreign exchange market is the trading relations between the United States and its major economic partners. And yesterday, the meeting between European Union Commissioner Mr. Juncker and the President of the United States, Donald Trump, was really quite important because the prospects now are really encouraging for the trading wars don't extend and don't end in a possibly real kind of full-blown trade war. And from that point of view, that's of course an encouraging sign for the risky assets, because as you could see, the price of United States government bonds are on the upside again. That's because of the falling demand for United States government papers, and that's because of improvement in the risk sentiment that's spreading at the moment across the board. And as you could see, that of course also an encouraging sign for the major currencies, because the euro dollar at the moment is trading around 1.1725. Of course, today's ECB rate decision is very important, but because this event could be kind of non-event, and of course a lot of will depend on today's wording of Mario Draghi, the president of the bank. Let's now try to predict what he could say and what could be possible consequences of this kind of expression. We suggest that taking into account improvement in the risk sentiment, improvement in trade relations between the United States and European Union, probably today Mario Draghi could sound a little bit more optimistic regarding the future, the nearest future of European economy. Of course, we should understand that the current portion of European data were really very bad, let's say the truth, especially inflation indicators. Overall core consumer price index on a yearly basis fell to the level of 0.9%, and of course it's not a good sign for the future prospects of rising interest rates in the Eurozone. But anyway, we suggest that today Mario Draghi could sound a little bit more optimistic regarding the future of the European Union, and that could lay ground for the improvement in the bullish picture of the euro currency at the moment, not against the United States dollar but also against other currencies. So euro dollar at the moment is trying to erode its current downtrend, and of course subsequent and successful break above 117.50 could take the currency some higher to the levels of 117.90 and to the level of more important and more tougher resistance to break located at 118.40, 118.50. For the dollar yen, also we entered a short position on a break below a downtrend of 2018, located around 110.90. At the moment, we will use a possible upper move to the level of 111.90, where lies, by the way, 200 hourly line at 111.96. At the moment, we will use such opportunity to add to existing short position in the dollar yen. Overall, we suggest that it's time, probably, if Donald Trump does not come with new kind of threats on a Twitter regarding the future of tariff policy of the United States against other trading partners, we could see a little bit, we could see improvement in the risk sentiment that could drive the dollar some lower. The same applies for the cable. Cable is trading around 132 at the moment. We bought it on a break above 131.75, where lies the downtrend of 2018 that was drawn from the highs of this year, registered in the middle of April. And we suggest now the cable could extend its move some higher. Next important barrier to watch to the upside, located around 133.60 and let's say 34.80. Anyway, we should understand that 200 daily moving line located at 135.81, and only break above this line, real closing above this line, could really improve the near-term potential of the cable to extend its move to the upside. As regarding the dollar Swiss, you could see the dollar Swiss is a little bit higher than its current uptrend line. Anyway, we suggest that it's just a matter of time when we break below 0.99, where lies this kind of trend line at the moment. And of course, that should stimulate some other downside potential for the dollar Swiss. For those still missing positions in the short positioning in the dollar Swiss, we advise to sell it on a possible break below 99. First kind of a reliable target for the dollar Swiss will be located at the moment around 200 daily moving line. That's lies at the moment at 0.9753. For those looking for our analysis of the euro crosses, here also happened some kind of changes. You could see that we enter a long position in the euro yen. We still keep our long strategy in the euro Swiss with aggregate position at 116.53. And regarding the euro yen, it's really very interesting picture. During a previous trading session, the euro yen tested its underlying uptrend line located at 129.50. We used this opportunity to buy the currency. At the moment, we tightened our stop loss to yesterday's lows of 29.40. And now we suggest that the pair could extend its up move with fast, reliable upside level to watch, located around moving average 200 daily line. That's located at the moment at 131.82. That's why we put our target zone at 131.80. For those looking for our strategy in a commodity block of currencies, also here you could see some changes, because we entered a short position in the dollar cannon on a break below downtrend line that was located at 131.10. Also, we entered we entered a short position in the United States dollar against New Zealand dollar on a break above current downtrend line in the New Zealand dollar that was located at 138.15. We suggest that in the sessions ahead the pair could extend its move to the north. Let's see anyway the real results of today's European Central Bank rate decision and the results of today's press conference of Mario Draghi. In case of really big fluctuations in the market, we will come with our updating of our strategy list. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It was your Future Trend channel. Bye bye for now.